Nelson Chamisa claimed that Mnangagwa is protecting looters. Mnangagwa protecting looters, we have list, says opposition leader. Zimbabwe's main opposition leader has accused President Emmerson Mnangagwa of having uneasy links with several companies that have externalized funds, says a report. During his campaign rally over the weekend outside of Harare, MDC presidential hopeful Nelson Chamisa claimed to be in possession of a list of companies that the president had links with, the privately owned NewZimbabwe.com reported. The young charismatic opposition leader told his supporters that Mnangagwa had protected these companies when he published the list of looters earlier this month. Mnangagwa recently publicly named more than 1,800 companies and individuals accused of illegally stashing hundreds of millions of dollars overseas and not bringing the money home under a now-expired amnesty deal. The veteran politician had vowed to fight corruption after the dramatic resignation in November of longtime leader Robert Mugabe, whose government was accused of widespread mismanagement of the once prosperous country. Mnangagwa in December announced the amnesty deal, which expired last month. I have a list of companies with which I know Mnangagwa has links, Chamisa told his supporters. He must explain those links. Mnangagwa has been saying Zimbabwe is open for business, he must be open to public scrutiny and let us start with those companies, Chamisa was quoted as saying to rapturous applause. But, according to Newsday, the ruling ZANU-PF spokesperson, Simon Kaiamoyo, has said he has no idea about Mnangagwa's links with those companies. He said the opposition leader would be allowed to meet with the president if he wanted to meet him over the issue. I have no idea which companies are connected to the president or those in which he has interests. If he, Chamisa, is going to see the president, then I suppose he will. We really have nothing to say and will wait to hear what he wants. I do not make arrangements for presidential meetings, that is done by presidential spokesperson, George Tramba, Moyo was quoted as saying.